As soon as I entered in the interview meeting, interviewer asked, "Tell me about this project." And I knew that this will happen because I planned it like that. I just put that in my resume and didn't put any live link of project or GitHub repo so that interviewer gets curious and asks me about this. I had built an application which not only I myself was using, but I had also given it to my friends and they also liked it and were using many times a day. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Deosad Jimal and I am a final year engineering student at Indian Institute of Information Technology, Vadodara, and currently I am doing my internship as a backend developer intern. And on this channel, I create videos related to web development, tips and tricks related to web development, tutorials, and little bit of freelancing. So if you are interested in these kind of topics, make sure you subscribe to the channel for future videos. So after preparing for 3 months for getting the internship, as I discussed in the previous video, link in description if you haven't watched that, it was time to build some projects to include in the resume. Everyone online, offline was telling build a e-commerce website, build a blog application website or a chat application with socket.io. I knew they were important as developing those projects will help you develop your development skill and help you become a better developer. So I built them. But I also knew that many people might be doing the same thing. Then how will I stand apart from the rest of the people? Then an idea clicked on my head to create a web scraper which fetches the memes, images and GIF from the Reddit. Because Reddit is a treasure of memes and this would be something different in my resume. So I learned how to build a scraper, and after building that, I again got an idea to why not use that API myself and build something which uses that API. So I learned how to create a Chrome extension, and that was really easy. I created a Chrome extension which when opened gets images or GIF from backend API, which in turn fetches data from the Reddit by scraping the top memes and returning a meme image. But while fetching, it took time to sometimes fetch the image and I didn't wanted to add a loading bar. I thought that is so boring. So I got an idea, as people like to see cat videos, I added a cat GIF dancing while it was loading the image. That's it. I now had a meme Chrome extension which fetches data from backend, which gets data by scraping Reddit's top meme using Puppeteer. You can also mix two ideas in one to make something different, like mixing to-do application with blog application, making Chrome extension which scrapes data from page and stores that important data into database and later on gets that data whenever it is required, or building something interesting which is trending nowadays. Just get creative and mix 2 or maximum 3 applications in one, and here you go. You now have a unique project to showcase in your resume, which will help you stand apart from rest of the others. Merging 2 projects in one will not be easy if you are a beginner developer, but only by practicing you can go from beginner to intermediate or advanced level. So the sooner you face those challenges, the faster you move ahead. I have also created tutorials on creating bots with OpenAI's ChatGPT API for WhatsApp, for Discord, web, and AI art generator with Node.js and React.js, which you can watch. I will link down in the description, or you can surf my channel and get some more valuable information from my previous videos. Bye.